Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy to make chicken chow mein. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. The making of this video came with a bit of domestic strife for me. Watch the video to the end for details. First, bring a pan to the heat, add the oil and sesame oil and bring up the temperature. When the oils are nice and hot, add the onion and garlic. Fry off for 2 or 3 minutes. You're not looking to put colour on the onions, just to make them translucent and soft. Then it's time to add the pre-cooked chicken. I'm going to say pre-cooked, it's just leftovers we had from a roast dinner on Sunday. Because as my grey-haired old mother used to say, waste not, want not. She never used to say that, she used to say, what bloody time do you call this to come home? But such is life. Anyway, after frying the chicken off for a minute or two, it's time to add the noodles. When the noodles have been fully incorporated in the mix, it's time to add the green parts of the spring onions. And again, mix in. Next ingredient to the pan is the bean sprouts. After this recipe was completed, my wife said to me, we should have put more bean sprouts into it. I said, well, you were adding the bean sprouts, you could put as many as you wanted to. She said I didn't tell her that. And then when I pointed out there was a Rough Diamond recipe, not a Marco P. White's masterclass, he didn't take it very well. And when I went to bed that night, the atmosphere was colder than a penguin's nose. Anyway, I digress. The next ingredients to add to the mix are the dark soy sauce, the light soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Thoroughly incorporate the noodles, then serve piping hot. And remember, if you don't want your marriage bed down to -10 degrees, let your wife put as many bean sprouts in as she wants. Hope you enjoyed this Rough Diamond recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Wife permitting, of course.